back, everybody. So today we're going to try a new brewery for me. This is Birds Fly South Ale Project, and the beer is called Apologize Less. Double dry hopped India Pale Ale, Mosaic and Citra with Guava. So that should be interesting. On the side, sour, it's all the way down to the left. Juicy is all the way to the right. Bitterness is like a 1.5. On here, 6.8% ABV is what's on here. Starting off the 2020 with a throwback to the OG Apologize Less. I never had that. Hazy, bursting with notes of mango, guava, pineapple, finishing slightly bitter, but clean and crisp. Cheers. I did pick this up at Huffman Street Grocery, $3.99. I don't know if they have any other beers from them. I haven't been to work for 15 weeks, and so when I finally went back one day, I stopped in there and they had this. So at least for, let's just say, 3 months, I have not seen or heard about this brewery at all. It looks like they're in Greensville, South Carolina. So hopefully it's good. It almost sounds like more of a New England style IPA than a regular dry hopped IPA, but I think those lines are getting very blurred as to what is an IPA and what's a New England IPA these days. So let's go ahead and open it, get it into a glass, see what we think. There we go. Ooh, I can smell it already. No date on the can. Kind of tannish. Off-white. I think it's almost translucent, like that orange is coming up from the bottom and making it look tan. Small, medium bubbles, about a finger of head. Dirty Glass Mafia. See if we can get some of those bubbles off there. There we go. Color. Medium haze. I can make out the light box in there. Through it, I should say. Dark orange in color. It is a darker orange down the center than it is the outside. Some bubbles coming up, more bubbles coming up on the side of the glass than the beer itself. And I've got stuff in here. There we go. Okay, let's smell. I get more like orange citrus. Yeah, definitely more of an orange citrus. Very light, nothing bursting in your face. Guava? I don't get guava. Yeah, I get a low undertone, maybe a little sweetness in there, but orange citrus is all I get out of this thing. Mango pineapple. I don't get that. Orange citrus, last time I'm saying it. Let's go ahead and taste. I get some guava. I almost want to say it's more orange, like a sweeter orange citrus, maybe a generic citrus if you wanted to go that route. But the guava seems to be toning down the rest, maybe. I mean, and it's not a big taste. Yeah. Like I get some guava up front, then it's like that orange citrus is there, goes all the way back, a little hit of bitterness, then a little sweet orange citrus in there. Very smooth, lighter bodied. I was thinking it was going to be heavier. It's pushing medium, but it's not to medium in my eyes. We'll pour the rest of this in here, see if it changes. Oh, definitely got some settlement in there. Yeah, definitely got some floaties in there. Yeast. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think there's any fruitiness in here. Mango, pineapple, I don't get that. More orange. I actually just did the Decadent Ales Orange Gusher, and I wish the bitterness of this one was in that one. That had more of a an orange rind bitterness to it, and I think this bitterness is coming from the hops. I can't say that for sure, but logically, I think we can say they're not using puree or rind zest in this, so it has to be coming from the hops, and it's a little smoother, that bitterness level, and not like hit you in your face like that other one did. For this one, I would probably have to go with a 3.75 out of 5. I don't think it's really bringing anything to the table. If it could be old, but since they don't put dates on their can, I can't tell you. Or no, yeah, it was the other one that had the date. So yeah, I don't know how old this is. If it truly has mango and pineapple, yeah, that's all they had. That would mean more tropical fruit, juicy fruit, something like that. I'm not getting it at all out of this beer. Tasting this, if I had to do the can, I would say juicy citrus or juicy orange citrus or something like that. So yeah, 3.75 out of 5. If you enjoyed this video, check some more out over here. And until next time, happy brewing.